Welcome to a basketball game. Matt versus Junior. And what team are you?
Miami Heat.
Miami Heat? Wolves. Okay. Okay. Yes, we are friends. Okay, so they're going to check it first. And I'm going to go up to 20. Yeah, I'm the ref. And we're going to go to 20 up points. Matt has 2 points. 4 points for Matt, which is the Chicago Bulls. Oh my God, again. 6.
Thank you.
8.
I'm making money here.
Oh! We thought it was going to be 10, but no. Junior has it. No, and he misses. Oh, so close. Oh, so close. Oh. Oh. Okay, 8-0. Oh, so 2-8. We're at the home of the Chicago Bulls. I mean the Miami Heat. Yay! So 4-8. Oh, so close. 4-10. Oh, so close. 4-10. Oh, so close. Still 4-8. Oh, so close again. Garage. Chicago Bulls versus the Miami Heat. Miami Heat. La 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 la. Oh, and he misses for good. 4-10. 4-12 now. Oh no. Miami Heat are doing horrible, which is Junior. Oh! Oh! 4-14. Yeah. Yeah, I think Matt's gonna win. Oh my God, 4-16. Oh, so close. 6-16. Oh, wait, foul.
What?
You're locked. Matt gets free shot. Okay. Okay, so 8-16. Junior 1/2 away from getting tied with Matt. Oh, so close. Oh, okay, so 8-18. What in the world is he doing, huh?
You're getting that.
Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.